very important in Tantra is that we don't try to get rid of those feelings. So if we feel numbness, that is very good information. If we feel I don't want this, that is very good information. If we feel I'm uncomfortable with this person, that is very good information. So, one thing I like to teach is that inside of all of our bodies is a little dog that we can trust, because you know how dogs will just walk up and decide whether they trust you or not. And this is a very good thing about the body, that the body can say, I don't feel comfortable right now making love to this person. And this might be a person you know for 30 years, or it might be a new friend. And this knowing of the little dog inside is something to be trusted in Tantra. We don't try to say, oh, they're cute, I should ignore this, or I'm feeling numb, so I should just try to power on through. We say, have a curiosity about what is this numbness, or what is this uh, lack of safety with this person, and honor it.
I like
So
that.
often, um, uh, information you might get on the internet, some of it's very good, but some of it will tell you to just ignore that and carry on and push on through. And in Tantra, we would not think that was a good idea at all. We would say these uh, these feelings are there for a reason, and we want to make friends with them and see what kind of healing they might need.